What's good, YouTube? Yeah! Guess what we on the way to do? Veho. Again. Veho. So we on the way to the warehouse right now. We're supposed to be there. It's a 9 o'clock, or actually a 9:20 shift. It's supposed to be 3 hours, $64. So that's a little bit over $20 an hour. We're gonna try, and it says 3 hours, not 3.5, not 4, 3 hours. So we're gonna try to knock that out in really 3 hours or less, because if from what I'm understanding, it's Hello Fresh. I could do 20 Hello Fresh deliveries in like 2 hours. So I should be able to do these in less than 3 hours. I think they might be accounting for the time that it takes you to get to the area. So it is what it is. Let's go ahead and slide the Veho. It's my first time doing the Veho. Ready. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the page. This is where we do a lot of ride share driving, and we really like to do deliveries, no people. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, I'm gonna show you how to get this money. Today we doing Veho. Again, Veho. Okay, so we at the Veho. I don't know if you can see what it say, Veho, enter, and then exit. I was wondering, I just saw cars pulling out. So let's go ahead and pull up in here and get our bins. All right, so we inside of Veho. Everybody loading up. So I guess they bring the cart over and then you just load it down. Got to go ahead and jump out, find somebody so I can load mine up. All right, so she said that's mine right here. It ain't hardly nothing either. So we got to just throw them in there. I know we got the big old wheel now. Got to throw them in there and make the drops. Too easy. 7 packages. Got them all loaded up. Just 7. There's some people in here loading up 40 packages. We out. All right, dropped off the first one. You just gotta take a picture of the front door, take a picture of the package, make sure it say the address, confirm delivery, and we up out here. Next stop. Okay, we at the second drop off. Let's go ahead and grab it. Let's do it. All right, so I get out. I'm about to walk up to the door, drop it off. I hear somebody say, "Hey, just leave it by the garage." I look up, it's a sheriff. Just random. I'm like, "Okay, bro." And then he was like, "Did it say leave it by the garage or leave it by the door?" I look and it don't say nothing. I said, "The last one said leave it by the door." He said, "I guess leave it by the door, just take a picture." I'm like, "Bro, are you on the app? Like, are you the head of Veho or something? You know what I mean? Let me know. Like, what you doing? Like, you impeding me from doing my job. I ain't impeding you, you impeding me." Nah, but it's all good. I went ahead and dropped it off. And we on to the third package. Let's do it. All right, grabbing the third one. Almost done. We got like, it's 5 back there. It'll be 4 after this one. Scan package. Cool, this will be package number 3. Let's do it. Okay, so let me show you what I'm dealing with. If you can see it, this mug, their number is 847. So right here, it's saying enter the apartment number. We're gonna put 847 right there. And guess what? When we hit confirm, it's gonna say incorrect. The apartment number is pound code pound safe. Man, no, it's not. So that however they put it in, they got it real difficult, real extra. So I'm about to type all of this in on my iPad and then punch it in right here and see if it actually lets me just drop it off and go, because it's already dropped off. It just got me doing this extra because whatever this person put down here or whatever. So let's do it. Okay, finally figured that out. They got that little code all discombobulated. So now we off to the next one. I guess this would be the 4th drop off. Let's go do it. All right, drop that one off. Let's get it. We here doing the 5th one. Let's pick it. Let's make the drop. All right, last one. 4 minutes away. Let's get to it. It took us like maybe an hour and 15 minutes. Not long at all. Told you it wasn't gonna be as long as it said. No 3 hours. Man, it's only 11, or it's 10:30. I started at 9:20. The route started at 9:20. If it's 10:30, yeah. other one in 4 minutes. That's an hour and 15 minutes for $64. We'll take it. Bam! Knocked all of them out. $64.50. 1 hour 27 minutes. No, yeah. 1 hour 27 minutes. 1 hour 17 minutes. I'm tripping. 1 hour 17 minutes. $64.50. We about to go. I need to go pick up something. I got this thing where I can plug up to do the radio transmission and stuff until I buy my CD player for here. But yeah, got to go pick that up from Advanced. And that's it, man. Shoot, might pick another one of these up tomorrow for tomorrow. Matter of fact, I got another app, but it's all good. I'm gonna see what's up. Y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video. This has been Veho, Nationwide Drivers on Facebook. Veho, Nationwide Drivers. I see y'all there. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Deuces. Tesla. Tesla Roadster.